Hey friends! Choosing the right battery tester is essential for maintaining your car's electrical health and avoiding stressful, unexpected vehicle breakdowns. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car battery testers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Automotive BT60 Pro battery tester. This professional-grade diagnostic beast stands out for its incredible versatility, supporting 6V, 12V, and 24V systems with a single device. It is one of the few analyzers in its class that effectively manages both traditional lead-acid chemistries and modern lithium-lead Po4 batteries, making it future-proof for the next generation of vehicles. A truly innovative feature is the integrated QR code cloud printing system, which allows you to instantly scan and share professional test results to your smartphone for digital storage or customer sharing. The massive 3.2-inch high-definition screen utilizes an intuitive menu structure that simplifies complex diagnostics into easy-to-read health and charge percentages. Encased in a shock-resistant ABS body, it is designed to survive the rough and tumble of a high-volume garage while reaching into tight engine bays with its extended heavy-duty cables. This all-in-one tool provides the ultimate level of flexibility and convenience, offering professional-grade precision that simplifies the maintenance of any electrical system you might encounter in your daily work, whether it's a motorcycle or a heavy-duty truck. Next up, our second product, the Incel BA101 car battery tester. Widely celebrated for its pinpoint accuracy and frequent features in top-tier automotive review channels, this reliable tool acts as a professional early warning system for your vehicle's electrical system. It provides an exhaustive set of data points, including state of health, state of charge, and cranking voltage, all delivered through a high-precision smart chip designed for consistent results. The monochromatic display features adjustable contrast and a bright backlight, ensuring your data is perfectly legible regardless of whether you are working in bright midday glare or a dark workshop. Safety is a major priority here, as the unit includes specialized protections against reverse polarity and short circuits to protect both the user and the vehicle's onboard computer. The long, durable copper crocodile clips offer a secure connection to the terminals, allowing for deep dive testing of the charging system under various loads. By keeping a close eye on your battery's CCA and voltage levels, this tester empowers you to perform preventive maintenance that keeps your vehicle on the road and out of the repair shop, making it a favorite for both beginners and experts. Coming in at number 3, the MotoPower Garage Battery and Alternator Tester. This indispensable diagnostic powerhouse serves as a comprehensive medical checkup for your vehicle's 12V lead-acid batteries, delivering precise data on internal resistance and overall health ratings. Mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike will appreciate the high-resolution 3-inch color LCD, which provides a vivid interface for navigating its various testing functions across a wide 100 to 2000 CCA spectrum. Beyond standard checks, it features a sophisticated real-time wave display that visualizes voltage changes during engine operation, making it easier to spot intermittent alternator issues. The inclusion of a 9-language interface and the ability to print detailed test results ensures that users can maintain professional-grade records of their vehicle's electrical history. Its rugged construction is designed to withstand the daily bumps of a busy shop environment while providing instant conclusions ranging from mediocre to excellent. By evaluating both the cranking and charging systems, this tool ensures your entire electrical framework is functioning at peak efficiency, preventing expensive roadside surprises before they even happen. It is essentially a complete electrical laboratory that fits right in the palm of your hand for any roadside or garage job. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Conway KW208 car battery tester. For drivers seeking a high-precision diagnostic solution without a professional price tag, this pocket-sized analyzer offers a remarkably accurate breakdown of vital battery statistics for all 12V systems. It is engineered to provide nearly 100% testing accuracy, using a high-performance smart chip that generates critical readings for capacity and state of charge in just a few seconds. The device is built with upgraded galvanized alloy clips that ensure superior electrical contact and safety, allowing it to test even batteries that are nearly depleted or sitting on a storage shelf. Its plug-and-play simplicity means you can diagnose flooded, AGM, or gel batteries without any complicated setup, whether you are working in your driveway or out in the field. By providing a clear look at internal resistance and overall health, it helps you identify exactly when your battery is nearing the end of its life cycle. This reliable tool is an essential safeguard for anyone wanting to monitor their alternator's performance and ensure their starter has the juice needed for consistent ignition every single morning, regardless of the outdoor temperature. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Foxwell BT705 battery tester. This professional-grade diagnostic machine is a heavy-duty powerhouse tailored for both 12V and 24V applications, making it the go-to choice for owners of standard cars and large commercial trucks. It stands out in the market with its ability to handle modern start-stop and AGM batteries, providing definitive guidance on whether to recharge or fully replace an aging power cell. One of its most user-centric features is the nearly 6-foot extension cable, which allows a single operator to conduct full cranking and charging tests while sitting comfortably in the driver's seat. The 2.8-inch backlit screen ensures that results remain crystal clear even in the dimmest garage environments, while the copper clamps provide industrial-level durability for years of use. It utilizes advanced conductance technology to pinpoint battery health without draining the battery during the test, ensuring stable and reliable results even in freezing sub-zero temperatures. Trusted by automotive experts for its accuracy and build quality, this tester represents a smart investment for those who want to avoid the high costs of unnecessary battery or alternator replacements while working on multiple different vehicle types. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.